Welcome to Red Fox Reclaiming, and today we're going to change out a blade on this 12-inch miter saw. So it's a DEWALT compound miter, and as you can see, I still have the original 12-inch blade from the manufacturer on it, and it is getting dull, so we're going to swap it out. Alright, time to start accessing the center hub for the blade here. So we're going to start out by just quickly loosening the back pivot point for that metal plate, and then using the DEWALT provided tool, loosen the front star head bolt, and you're going to take that out far enough to raise up that metal plate out of the way. Now you have access to your center hub here. So, tighten, loosen. Let's start out up high, get that in there, and drag that loose. All right, lastly, we're gonna let this flange come back down into place. Tighten up the back. All right, we got the blade all on. Let's put some 2x under there and test it out. Cutting smooth like a champ again.